Hey YouTube, 85cc Master here. This is going to be a video on my services that I do with my Excavator skid steer and dump truck. As I stated in my last video, I do heavy equipment work on the side in Lexington, South Carolina. So I figured I'd just show you my listing. I have everything organized here. So I do, clearing, grading, dump truck hauling services. Free estimates. I have a lot of happy customers and always quality work, satisfaction, definitely guaranteed. Lexington, South Carolina and surrounding areas. And there's my phone number. If you want to inquire or ask any questions, feel free to send me a text anytime or give me a call. And so here's like the before and after of a lot that I cleared. There's a driveway I did for an airport hangar. It was pretty cool because the hangar was in a subdivision. It's in my area. Everyone has a little hangar in their backyard, and everyone has an airplane. There's a driveway I did with crush and run, swimming pool fill in. This is a fence line clearing. Little grading job I did for a carport. Another lot clearing job I did. Little driveway road build that I did, just clearing the brush and trees and debris. Mobile home demolition and haul off. Let's see if I got any more pictures, and that's it. I have other pictures I don't have posted on here, so but that's a little video on my little side business I got going on. Thank you very much, y'all. Y'all have a good one.